Hi again, everybody. We see each other after 1 week and 1 day. So, as promised, here is Alessandra from Find Your Way with our second tutorial on assertiveness skills. Today, we're going to talk about status. Did you know that actually status is an inhibitor of assertiveness and actually a promoter of passive or aggressive behavior? And I explain you why. So basically, status is a condition, a comparison, and a level that we put between ourselves and other people. Status can be actually also linked not only to what a person does actually, but also what a person is, his or her skills and capacities. If we have a lower perception of ourselves compared to other people, we might be lacking assertiveness because we might think, who am I to actually behave in a certain way or say, tell my opinion and express my deepest needs, right? Because if that other person is more beautiful than I am, if that other person is smarter than I am, or has a PhD or has 20 years more experience, how can I compare? This type of belief can really bring us to shut down our possibilities. So it might be not a realistic way to look at reality. And it can actually trigger passive behavior. On the other hand, if we perceive ourselves as a higher status, like if we are managers, as I call them, orchestra directors, we might think that other people are less, and we might not establish, even with our own friends, equal relationships. And actually, being assertive there is also quite impossible because by looking at ourselves as a higher level, we might not express authentically what we think because we always want to appear more. Our language can really, really inhibit us from having an equal relationship. So, in those cases, both those cases, I would like actually to suggest an exercise. Take the usual pen and paper. For the first case, when you feel that your status is lower, that your self expression, that your self worth feel like that it is lower than others, you should write 14 times on a piece of paper or repeat in front of the mirror, I have a right to exist and I'm unique. I have a right to exist and I'm unique. Or I have a right to exist and to express my needs and wishes. On the other hand, if you think that your status is actually higher, that you are higher than everybody else, but deep inside you know, wow, I'm not genuine, this is not me, it's probably a power move that I'm doing, yeah? I would like to suggest you write again on a piece of paper that since the beginning of time, there is no one else like me or like other people. Therefore, we are incomparable. Yes? Since the beginning of time, there was nobody like me or like somebody else. Therefore, we are incomparable. I know this can trigger discussions, Yeah, but how we can compare if we actually were different? But that's what this tutorial is for. Let's trigger discussion. Let's see what everybody thinks of this and try the exercise and see how it sinks in. I'm there with you. Stay assertive. If you don't want to miss these tutorials, subscribe to the channel Alessandra Patti, Find Your Way Coaching. Bye. Have a great weekend. Bye.